That's the most important person in the room. The person who speaks little but whose words have incredible merit, and people sit up just when they enter the room. That executive presence that takes space, not because of volume and raw, but because of quiet power. If you want to explore that kind of presence, send me a message and we'll get started. If you're intelligent and you always get talked over in meetings, this is probably why. Upward inflections and sentences that keep going and going and going and going and never have a true pausing stop, they don't stem from confidence. They stem from feeling interrupted in the past and feeling like you can't take space, so you never take a breath. As a result, we end up over explaining everything. And it actually makes it easier for people to interrupt us. If you enter the chat with a calm body, calm voice, slow breaths, people know that's your default and they will wait. These are just some of the techniques I work on with my clients.